You be illin'. Bump, 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 bump. You be illin', illin'. You be illin'. Julissa Abonce.
Here.
Sam Adams. Ayumi Anderson.
Here.
Naveed Atashbar.
Here.
Cassandra Casillas. Camila Cuenca.
Here.
I'm sorry, it's Brianna, not Camila, right?
Yeah, it's Brianna.
Sorry, okay, Brianna. Sorry, Brianna. Okay, Nathaniel de Guzman.
Here.
Miley Fisher.
Here.
Aaron Garon.
Here.
Carlos Gomez.
Here.
Billy Gonzalez.
Here.
Brett Hare.
Here.
Lorenzo Limas.
Here.
Linda Lopez Hidalgo.
Here.
Maya Lopez.
Here.
Angel Lopez Garcia.
Here.
Abraham Lucio.
Here.
Anita Martinez.
Here.
Ethan Montes.
Here.
Emma Montoya.
Here.
Melissa Moreno.
Here.
Connor Olaso.
Here.
Sorry, Connor. Keep messing that up.
It's fine.
Mara Ortega.
Here.
Montserrat Pedrosa. Ian Ramirez.
Here.
Here.
Angel Rojas.
Here.
Thomas Servin.
Here.
Samantha Velasco. Alonzo Vitella. Dennis White.
Here.
Elise Williams.
Here.
Dennis White.
I'm here.
Okay. Alonzo Vitella.
I'm here.
Okay. I got confused there. All right. Here's who I have absent. Samuel Adams. Okay. Hang on. Cassandra Casillas. Cassandra? You be illin'. Dun 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 dun. Illin', illin'. You be illin'. Dun 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 dun. Illin', illin'. You be illin'. Dun 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 dun. Illin'. You be illin'. Dun 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 dun. Illin', illin'. Dun 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 dun. You be illin'. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. You be illin'. Illin'. You be illin'. Illin'. You be illin'. Illin'. You be illin'. You be illin'. Dun 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 dun. Illin'. Dun 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 dun. All right. We're gonna do dividing polynomials today. We're doing dividing polynomials. I heard my thing blink. It went blink. What does that mean? Does that mean someone was? I don't know what that means.
I think it might have been a message.
Cassandra's here. All right, Cassandra. Let's see. Let me fix that. Dun 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 dun. Thanks, Abraham. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. You guys, have you guys been doing your check your understandings? The check your understandings? Not if you haven't. We have one today, yesterday. I don't talk about it because I assume that you look at it. So you had to check your understanding yesterday. Make sure you do those because if you don't do it, I zero them out. You get a 0. I zero them out. I zero the check for understandings. Check your understandings. Zero them. Okay. Zero them out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Angel. Hey, Angel Lopez.
Yeah,
Hey, man, what are you doing over the vacation?
nothing really.
Is anyone else? Are you just like, do you have any brothers or sisters having vacation with you or anything?
Yeah.
Oh, they have vacation too?
Yeah.
That's cool. Let's see. Brett, what are you doing over the vacation?
I don't know. Nothing really.
Is anyone doing anything special? Going anywhere? Let's see. Elise, are you glad you're having time off, or do you wish you like would summer earlier instead of having a week off? You know what I mean?
It doesn't really bother me.
Either way. All right. How are you, Thomas?
What's up?
What are you doing over the vacation?
Nothing much. Probably just gonna watch my show.
Ooh, what's that?
I'm watching One Piece.
Oh, I never heard of that.
It's an
Was it on
anime.
Netflix or something?
No, it's on Hulu.
Oh, my son loves anime. I've seen have you seen Akira?
Yeah, I seen that one. Pretty good.
Do you like it? It's
Yeah, I
pretty
like
good.
it.
All right. All right. Okay, sorry guys. Where's my all right, here we go. Okay, topic dividing polynomials. Okay, dividing polynomials. And let's do a problem. Let's do a problem. Okay, dividing before we divide polynomials, let's do a regular 5th grade division problem. Okay, so do this with me. This is not Godzilla time. Even though you guys are all sensei, we know how to do this, but it's important that we understand this concept here. 2,571 divided by 3. Okay, let's walk through how we used to do this the good old days, okay? So, you say to yourself, am I going too fast? Let's see if am I going too fast? Ayume, am I going too fast?
No.
Okay. Just want to make sure you guys are caught up. Julius, am I going too fast or are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
All right, cool. One more person. Let's see. Who should I ask? No. Nathaniel, how about you? Am I going too fast? Or are we good?
No, you're good.
All right, so 2,571 divided by 3. Okay, how do we do this, right? Well, when we divide, we look at the first number. We say, hey, does 3 go into 2? We say, no, the 2 is too small. So then we go to the next 2. 25. Does 3 go to 25? We say yes. We say, how many times does 3 go to 25? Well, we say 8 times. And notice, when it's going to 25, I put the 8 directly above the 5. And then we say 8 times 3 is 24. And then what do we do? What do I do next after this? What do I do next? Mara, what do I do next after this?
Subtract 25 from 24 and we get
Very good.
1.
Very good. So we get 1. And then what do I do? Let's go with Lorenzo. What do I do next?
You see if 3 can go into 7.
Well,
So-
before that we got to bring the 7 down. Right?
Yeah.
Then say if 3 can go into what now?
Oh, 17.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, homie. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then I subtract. 17 minus 15 is 2. And then what do I do? Cassandra, what do I do next?
You bring down the 1.
Bring down the 1. We say 3 goes into 21 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. And we subtract. And then we get a 0. And then we're done. Now, sometimes there's a remainder, right? So if there's a remainder, we can just say 857 remainder 0 over 3. If there's a remainder, we're going to have remainders of these, okay? Now, I know we know how to do that. So let's do dividing polynomials because that's what the topic is about. So let's do a little separation. This is my left side. Let's do one on the right side. Here we go. Watch this. Write this down. Make sure there's space. Notice how there's space. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 2, all divided by x plus 1. Okay. So let's go ahead and divide this. All right. So here we go. All right. Emma, how am I doing?
You're doing good.
You have all this written down?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So we say here, like how we said, hey, 3 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 25. X plus 1, since there's 2 of them, it will not go into x cubed, but it goes to, we can say x cubed plus 3x squared. We'll say that. Now, look at this here. Notice how I want it so that I at least get rid of this tens. I get rid of the 2 or the thousand, so this becomes 0. So let's make it so that this becomes 0. So what do I have to multiply x by so it's equal to x cubed? What times x equals x cubed? Carlos, what times x equals x cubed?
X to the power of 2.
Very good. And notice because I'm dividing it so it subtracts this, I put it above my 3x squared, and I go x over 2. Notice the x squared is over the x squared. And now I'm, like I said, 8 times 3, I got 24. I'm going to multiply x squared times x plus 1. So we say x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 1 is 1x squared. So notice how I multiplied that. Okay, remember our next step was we subtract. So then I'm going to subtract. Now, to make my life easier, make sure you follow this step. I think this makes it a lot easier. Let's change it to an addition and then switch the signs. So make this an addition. So now this becomes a negative, and this becomes a negative. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. 3x squared minus 1x squared is, what is 3x squared minus 1x squared? Let's go with Bree. Let's go with Anita. What is 3x squared minus 1x squared? Help! Help! Anita! Help! Help! Anita! Anita! Your mic, Anita! No, I can't hear you. Let me see. Is my volume down? My volume. Can you see my volume? Can you guys see my little 100? I'm at 100. Where are you at? All right, cool. Thanks, Connor. Anita, what do I do next? Anita, sign back. Sign back in. Come back and come back in. Okay. Let's go with Abraham. Where was I? Abraham, what is 3x squared minus x squared?
Would it be 2x squared?
Yeah, 3x squared take away 1x squared is 2x squared. And then just like this, we bring down that, like we subtracted that, and then I brought down the 7. So I'm going to now bring down my plus 4x. You bring that down. Okay. So what do I do next? Let's see if you guys can remember. Ayume, what do I do next?
would you multiply x by like x again?
Yeah, so I want x. Okay, you're right, but I want x to equal 2x squared. So what do I want to multiply? Because this is the next number I want to get rid of. So what do I multiply x by to get 2x squared?
2x.
2x. So I make this a plus 2x. Notice my x is above my x. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. And then what do I do? What do I do next? What do I do? Brett, what do I do next?
You subtract.
Subtract. I like to make this an addition, make that a negative, and then make that a negative. Okay. So what's the result? 2x squared plus negative 2x squared is 0. 4x minus 2x. What do I got? What's 4x minus 2x? Connor, what is 4x minus 2x?
2x.
2x. Bring down the 2. What do I do next? What do I do next? Look at that glare. Let's go with Dennis White. What do I do next? Let me get rid of this glare, Dennis, so you can see what's going on. That's a little better. Hey? Hey, Dennis, is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Dennis, what's next?
You're going to see how many times x plus 1 goes into 2x plus 2?
Yeah, or just the x goes into the 2x. Just focus on the 2x. What? But you're right. Okay. It's easier to focus on. I think it's easier to focus on the 2x. So what do you think? What times x equals 2x?
2.
So 2x, and then 1 times 2 is 2. Then we subtract negative, 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 0, and then that is our answer. And that is how, ladies and gentlemen, you divide polynomials. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! We learned something today. We learned something today. We learned something today. Yeah! Yeah! Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Abraham, can you feel it? You learned something today.
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, Samantha, can you feel that? You just learned something today. I want to hear you say it, Samantha. Woo! Samantha?
What do I say?
Just say, yeah, you feel it.
Oh, yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah! Woo! Brett, you feel it?
Yeah.
Ah! Yeah! Okay, I'm getting tired. Mara, are you getting tired too?
Yeah.
All right, let's move on. Let's move on. I mean, that was powerful stuff though, man. Or maybe you know how to do that. Maybe you already knew how to do that. You know what I mean? Sam, have you done that before?
No.
Yeah, you learned something new today. Woo! Man, you just pumped me up, Sam. You pumped me up. I was getting tired, but you pumped me up. Pumped me. Okay, let's do number 5. You guys ready, homies? Here we go. I'm going to go a little bit faster here, okay? Because I know I'm putting you to sleep. X squared plus x minus 17. All of that divided by x minus 4. Okay, I wrote it down. Here's how we write it out. You ready? X squared plus x minus 17 divided by x minus 4. Okay, so here, let's write our division problem. Now, this one is not going to end in 0. You're going to have a remainder in it. Okay, it's going to have a remainder. Okay, here we go. What goes in here, do you think? Where are you guys? What do I put underneath? Ethan. Ethan, what goes in here?
X squared plus x minus 17.
Very good. And then the x minus 4 here. All right. So we say, hey, x, how many times is x going to x squared? Let's do this quick. All right, let's go. How many times is x going to x squared? Ian, what do you say? Ian, how many times is x going to x squared? Boom, boom, boom.
X goes into x squared twice, right?
What do you mean? What times?
Oh, wait.
Let me say it this way. What times x equals x squared?
What times x equals x squared? X times x equals x squared?
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So you put the x above here, right? X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Then we subtract. Right? Right? Julissa, am I going too fast?
No.
Am I going too slow?
No, you're going perfect.
All right, I love it. Okay, so I make this subtraction, then I make this an addition, make that a negative, make that a positive. Okay, what do I put underneath? Tell me what I put underneath. Someone tell me. Let's see. Linda, go ahead and what do I subtract those? What do I get?
5x.
Yeah, nice, Linda. Bring down the negative 17. Now, x times what equals 5x? What do I multiply x by to get 5x? Let's go with Lorenzo. What times x equals 5x, Lorenzo?
Is it 5?
Yeah, very good. Because 5 times x is 5x. And then 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Now, notice, I'm going to subtract, change this to an addition, make that a negative, make this a positive. And that goes away. Negative 17 plus 20 is positive 3. And there's nothing else, right? Nothing else to bring down. That's where our 0 was on our last one. So this is our remainder. This is how we write the remainder. Plus 3 over x minus 4. Because that's our remainder. If we had a 0, we would stop there. We have to write it like that. And there's the answer to number 5. Learn something new today. Learn something new. Learn something new. Learn something new. All right. Okay. I'm looking at all you guys. Let me get out of my display mode. Display is over. Okay. Raise your hand if that made sense to you, how I did that problem. I'm looking at you guys, so I'm not looking at the camera. All right. Cool. Most of you. Okay. Now let's do one that's a little bit more challenging. Here we go. You guys can put your hands down. And I am presenting. There we go. Present away. A boom, a boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, that was 5. Okay, 7. You can kind of do, I'm going to do a hard one. I'm going to do 9. I'm going to do 9 here. Zoom it. Let's do 9. I'm going to write it out. This one's kind of crazy. This one kind of makes my brain tickle. Okay, now I want you to notice something here as I'm writing it out. 5x to the 4th minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 39. All of that divided by x squared plus 2x minus 4. Okay, now we're going to divide this by this. Okay, everyone looking, it's very important that you look right now. Look it. Because if you don't see this, it's going to mess you up on the test, even the multiple choice ones, to check your understanding. Look at my exponents. 4, 3, 2. What's missing? Do you guys notice anything missing there? Whoa, weird. Whoa. Oh, I see what just happened. I see. Alonzo, do you notice anything missing there? 4?
The x.
We're missing the x. So we have to rewrite it like this. If you don't have the x, if you don't do this, it's going to mess you up so big time. It's not even going to be funny. Watch what I do here. 5x to the fourth, no problem. Minus 2x cubed, no problem. Minus 7x squared, no problem. Plus 0x. There's my x. There's no x, you put 0x minus 39. And we're going to do the divided by x squared plus 2x minus 4. Okay, now that's the first thing that I want. I'm making a line so I could separate it here. That's the first thing I want you to notice is that we have to have the x's exponents in descending order. You cannot skip one or else it's going to mess you up. Okay, so now this is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. So too small, and then so here's another. We want to start right here above the 7x squared, okay, because it's too small. So here's my question. What times x squared equals 5x to the fourth? Just worry about this and this. Just worry about this and that. What times x squared equals 5x to the fourth? Okay, Elise Williams. What times x squared equals 5x to the fourth?
Five x squared.
Yes, very good, Elise. So we say here, we got to do it above the x squared. We say 5x squared. So now 5x squared times x squared is 5x to the fourth. 5x squared times 2x is plus 10x cubed. 5x squared times negative 4 is negative 20x squared. See how I did that? Then I am going to subtract it, make this a plus, negative, a negative, and a positive. You don't have to do that. I think it makes life easier, though. 5x fourth minus 5x fourth is 0. Negative 2x cubed minus 10x cubed is negative 12x cubed. Negative 7x squared plus 20x squared is plus 13x squared. And then we bring down our 0x. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. So what's my next number I'm going to put up here? What am I going to put up here next? What is my next number? Anita, are you back? Yeah, Anita. Is Anita back? Anita, did Anita leave? Are you here? Listen, I'm looking for you, Anita. Yeah, you're here. All right, well, Anita, are you here? All right, let's go with Julissa. No, let's go with Ian. Go with Ian. Ian, what do I put up here?
I'm not sure.
Want a hint?
Yes.
What do I multiply x squared to equal 12x, negative 12x cubed? You want to equal that?
Would it be? I'm not sure.
X squared to equal negative 12x cubed? Stay with me, Ian. Anita, are you back? My mic isn't working. Ian, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Hit a pause here. Miley, help Ian out. What do I multiply
you-
x squared?
Would you multiply
Huh?
negative 12x?
Yes. Ian, does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Negative 12 times 1 is negative 12. X times x squared is x cubed. Negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. X times x is x squared. Negative 12 times 4 is positive 48. X. I subtract, making an addition, a plus, a minus. 13x squared plus 24x squared is 37x squared. 0x minus 48x is minus 48x. Bring down the negative 39. There. Ian, what do I multiply x squared to get 37x squared?
37.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Plus 37 is 37x squared. 37 times 2 is 74. Am I right? Someone stop me unless I'm wrong. 37 times 4 148. Negative 148. Am I right? Yeah, I think so. Then we subtract. This becomes a plus. This becomes a minus. This becomes a minus. This becomes a plus. 48 plus negative 48 plus negative 74. 122. Negative 39 plus 148 minus 148 is positive 109. There's nothing else to bring down, so this is my remainder. So it's plus negative 122x. Oh, I'm running out of room. Plus 109 all over x squared plus 2x minus 4. So that's the answer. Oh, oh, oh. Are there any questions? Raise your hand if you understood that one, top to bottom, all the way, 100%. Okay, I'm seeing more hands than not hands, so I guess that's good. Okay. All right. Okay, so next thing, we're going to learn something else new. We're learning something else new today. Okay, so, okay, watch this. Let me present. Where are you guys? Okay, I'm presenting. Okay. Watch this. So remember we did this. You don't have to write this down because you already did this one. You could use it on your own notes. We did x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 2. Okay? So remember we divide. I'm just going to divide it real quick. We did this one before. What times x equals x cubed? That'll be x squared, and that'll be x cubed plus 1x squared. Then we subtract negative 3x squared minus 1x squared is 2x squared. Bring my 4x down. Then what times x equals 2x? That'll be 2x squared. That'll be 2x. That'll be 2x squared. That'll be plus 2x. And then subtract negative 0. 4x minus 2x is 2x plus 2. Then what times x equals 2x? Then we say plus 2. That'll be 2x plus 2, subtract 0, and that was our answer. Okay, we did that one already. Now, there's something called synthetic division. Godzilla time is over. Write this down. Synthetic division. Okay, so we're going to do this using synthetic division, which is way easier. Okay, instead of doing all that, we're going to use synthetic division. But I got a question for you. Maya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you wonder why? Are you confused as to why this is x squared? Or does it make sense?
No, it makes sense. It makes sense.
Because I divided it. It's down 1, right?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, cool. That's all. Let's go with, oh man, am I still presenting? What's going on here? Oh. Billy. Are you confused as to why this is x squared, or does it make sense that it's x squared? If I divide it, this is x cubed, and then we go down 1, it's x squared if I divide?
Yeah, it makes sense.
All right, cool. That's cool. And let's go with, is your hand up because you have a question or because you're responding to my last thing, Billy?
Oh, I was responding to the last thing.
All right, cool. Hey, Cassandra, are you wondering why this is x squared, or no? Are you good?
I'm okay.
All right, so everyone should understand that when I divide this, if I divide x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 divided by x plus 1, I end up with x squared as my answer because I divided it, so it's going to come down. It's going to be less than this per se, okay? So here's how you do synthetic division. Synthetic division only works if I have an x and if there's a 2 in front of here, if it was 2x, it wouldn't work. If it's 3, it only could be x plus a number or x minus a number. That's the only time you can use synthetic division. Now here we go. Here's how you do synthetic division. This is a plus 1. You guys see that? So instead of doing x plus 1, I'm going to divide by -1. So just put a -1 there, and then you put a little, our division is going to look like that. It's going to look like that. Little corner. Okay? Now, you take the coefficients in front of each of these numbers. So this is 1x cubed, 3x squared, 4x, 2. And you go like this. 1x cubed, you just put a 1. 3x squared, you just put a 3. 4x, you just put a 4. And then 2, you just put a 2. So basically, I'm taking this and I'm getting rid of all my x's in synthetic division. Let's just throw them out to make it easier. That's what I'm doing with synthetic division. Make sure you pay attention. Are we paying attention here? If you guys lose attention right now, you're like in trouble, okay? Make sure you guys are all paying attention here. Are we all paying attention? Not as though I know that you're paying attention. I stop presenting to make sure you're paying, because if you lose out, this is like going to be like, oh my gosh, what the heck happened? And you know, when I ask a question and someone's not paying attention, you know what they say? I say, hey, you know, Marcus, What is da 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 da? And they always say, what happened? What does that mean? Okay, so you're all paying attention, right? Here we go. We are all paying attention. Paying attention. Here we go. Now, so we have this -1. We have the 1, the 3, the 4, the 2. In synthetic division, you're going to draw a line, like so that there's space. Notice there's space underneath. Okay, here's the first step. Ready? You just bring down the 1. Put a 1 there. That's all you do. Bring down the 1. Next step, we go -1 times 1, which is -1, and you put the answer right there. You multiply these two, and you put the answer right there. Then you add 3 plus -1, and you make that equal to 2. Then we again multiply -1 times 2, and we get -2. And then we add 4 plus -2, we get 2. And then we say -1 times 2, and we get -2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And so my final answer is, let's put the x's back in. Because I divided, this was 1x cubed, 3x squared, 4x, and 2. Because I divided, it is not x cubed anymore. It is now x squared. So my answer is 1x squared plus 2x plus 2, which is the same answer as that. Flaca, flaca. And that's how you do synthetic division. Bum 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 bum. Are there any questions on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, Sam?
Why was it a -1?
Did I make a mistake? Oh, you just do the opposite.
Okay.
You just do the opposite. It's always, if that's a positive, you do the. It's kind of like, if you really must know, it kind of has to do with, when we subtract, but we're really changing the signs and making it positive. Well, we're really just changing, that changes all of these signs automatically. So instead of being +1, it becomes -1. But just remember, it's the opposite. Okay. Any other questions? I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's look at the homework. Homework. Let's do the homework. Okay, let's go. So, number 11 through 18 wants us to use synthetic division. So let's use synthetic. Now, that one did not have a remainder, so these are all going to have remainders. This book likes remainders, if you will. X squared plus 8x plus 1 divided by x minus 4. And here we go. So let's use synthetic division. Okay. All right, Sam, this is what you were asking before, but instead of -4, now we're going to do a +4. Okay, so this -4 goes here. Then I go 1, 8, and 1. And then I go flink. Boom, set up for synthetic division. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Bum, 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 bum. What's my first step? Anyone remember? Bum, 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 bum. Thomas, what's my first step?
Don't you bring down the 1?
Yes, Thomas, good job. Bring down the 1. What's my next step? Bump, ba, bump, ba, bump, bump. Samantha Velasco, what's my next step?
You have to multiply 4 by 1.
4 times 1 is 4. Very good, Samantha. Boom. What's my next step? You guys are awesome. Nathaniel, what do I do next?
You add 4 to 8.
Yes, and you get 12. Boom. What do I do next? Montserrat, what do I do next?
You have to divide the 12 and the 4.
Multiply.
Multiply, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. 49. Now, this is where my remainder is because I got to go one more. This should be 0. This is my remainder. So remember, this was x squared. So now my answer is 1x plus 12 plus a remainder of 49 over x minus 4. And that is your answer using synthetic division. Okay, let's move on. All right, are we good? Let's do another one. Are there any questions?
I have a question, Sensei.
Yeah, what's up?
How did you know there was a remainder?
Okay, that's a great question. Okay. The last one should always be 0. It's kind of like in the regular division. Where was that first division problem? In a regular division problem? Thomas?
You're cutting off for me.
Okay, so can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how when we divide and then after we bring the last 1 down, we get a 0?
Yeah.
If it's not a 0, that's the remainder. If you look at the one that we did here, where's that other one? If we look at the one we did here, this one did not have a remainder. The last thing we did, well, not that one. Well, anyway, like this one ended with a 0, right? So no remainder.
Yeah.
Right? Because we brought the 2 down, we had a remainder. So you're wondering, like the synthetic division. Where's my? Hang on, I'm trying to find my one that I did the synthetic division where I had 0. Oh, right here. So normally in synthetic division, the last one you do has a 0. So this would not have a remainder.
Oh, okay. I get it now.
Okay. So, and the one that we did, that was not a 0. So it's 49. So it's not a remainder. Boom. So it is a remainder. Remainder 49 over x plus 4. That's a very good question. Boom. Let's move to the next one. Okay. So let's do, should we do 12? Or should we do 13? Should we do 15? I don't know. Should I do 17? Look how long 7, let's see. I'm not sure. Let me do, I'm going to do 15 because look, like guys, look at 15. Notice x squared, there's no x. So do you guys remember what we do? You guys got to watch out for those. Those are trick questions on your check your understanding that you're supposed to be doing today. So let's go ahead and divide. Let's go do this one out. So now x squared plus 0x plus, there's my x. Let me make sure I have more room. I'm gonna do it down here. X squared plus 0x plus 9 divided by x minus 3. But we want to do synthetic division. So instead of doing that, using synthetic division, we go 3 divided by 1, 0, 9. Boom. Okay, you guys go ahead and do your synthetic division, see what you get. You guys are doing the synthetic division for that. You guys do the synthetic division. You guys do the synthetic division. I'm going to call on one of you for the answer. Okay, anyone need more time? All right. Let's see. I'm going to look at you guys if we need more time. Let's see. Raise your hand if you need more time on this. Wait, don't raise your hand. Okay, you raise your hand now. I'm looking at all of you. You don't need more time? Okay, got a couple of hands. All right. Let's go it. What do we got? Let's see. What's our answer? Let's go with, let's see. Who can I not see? I've been Thomas a lot. I know he's in. Mara, what'd you get? Mara. 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 Are you there? Are you absent? Mara going once. Mara going twice. Mara, what's your answer? Type it up. You're still working on it? Can you turn your camera on so you can show me your answer? We'll wait, Mara, we'll wait. Let me know when you're done. You guys want to hear a joke?
Yes.
Sure.
All right, here's my joke. Well, let's see how Mara's doing. Mara, how you doing over there? Mara. I'm not done. How are you doing now, Mara? Okay. While Mara's typing, here's the joke. why can you only put 239 beans in Irish stew? Why can you only put 200? Only like you can't. You have to put exactly 239 beans. 239. Why can you only put 239? In Irish stew. Irish stew. Because if you put one more, it'll be too farty. It'll be too farty. Too farty. No. Thanks, Connor. You always back me up, man. Mara. That's a dad joke.
Mara just left the meeting.
She left? All right, fine. Where were we at? What was our answer? Alonzo, what'd you get?
I got x plus 3 plus 18 over x.
Yes, homie. Very good. X plus 3 plus 18 over what?
X minus 3.
I could do jokes all day. You guys want to hear me still do more jokes? Probably not. Probably want to get out of here. Tell that to your parents. No, don't, because they'll get mad. That's inappropriate.
Sensei?
Okay. Yes.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes. What's up, Anita? You're back. Yay.
Right now I'm not having very stable internet, but I do have a question. Now,
Okay, what's up?
How do you know whether if it's the x is squared or not at the beginning? Like for question 5.
See me after class.
Okay.
Because I think everyone knows that. It looks like it's whatever you see me after class. Okay, Anita? Can you nod? Okay, and I'll explain it to you even if your microphone's off. Okay, here we go. Bring the 1 down. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 1x plus 3 plus 18. This is not a 0, so I got a remainder. 18 over x minus 3. Okay, almost done here. Did Mara come back? All right. Wait, am I presenting? I am presenting. Okay. Where am I at? Okay, let's look at the homework. And there we are. Okay, so just make sure you do all that. 17. And then these you can divide and match. You can use synthetic division if you want. Okay, what's the mistake here on 23? Actually, you know what? That's it. That's the last problem. You guys, I'm not going to do the last one for you. You guys are done. I'm done. You guys are done. Are there any questions? Make sure you check your understanding. You may go. I'll see you guys. You guys are awesome. Hopefully you learned something good today. Love you, Connor. Bye, Ian. Bye, Samantha. Bye, Alonzo. Bye, Linda. Bye, Miley. Bye, Nathaniel. Bye, Emma. Bye, Carlos. Bye, Abraham. Ayume. Mara joined. Too farty. You guys get it? Too farty? I don't know. I saw some of you kind of smiling, even though you didn't want to laugh. Okay, Anita, number 5. You had a question on 5? Can you hear me at least and see me? Anita?
I can hear you. I don't know if you might hear me or not.
I can hear you, but you can nod. Can you see me moving my hands?
Hear you.
Okay, I'm doing Kung Fu. So just watch out. Okay. So Anita, real quick, on number 5, and any of them, you're just trying to figure out, hang on. Real quick, let me get to the thing. Maya, can you hear me now? Can you talk?
Yeah.
All right, you're back. All right. Glad you made it. So what do you have to do? Log on and log back off again or something?
Wait, Mara or Maya?
Maya. No, Mara. Mara was the one, right?
Yeah,
Not
I didn't
Maya.
have I didn't have any technical difficulties.
No, it was Mara, not Maya. You're Maya, right? I'm sorry,
Yeah.
Maya.
My whole screen froze and I couldn't do anything. So I had to close it and then come back in.
That's fine. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. Let me answer Anita's question. Let's see. Okay, Anita, can you see my screen? So you're wondering, how do I know what it is? Okay, so the thing is, because there's 2 here, you want to divide into 2, okay? And this is what you do. What times x equals x squared, Anita? I don't know if you can hear me. Hopefully I can hear you respond. But what times x equals x squared?
X?
Yeah, so I say x. So that's where you get the x from. Because x times x is x squared. And then now you got to multiply this. X times -4 is -4x. And then we subtract. Does that answer your question?
Oh, okay. I see what
You want to multiply this. Go ahead.
While you were presenting, I was missing kind of like
No, I get it.
like what you were saying because I kept on like glitching. You wouldn't.
No problem. I understand. I wish we were back in the classroom. Really, I do. Because it'd be a lot better. But so now I'm looking at the 5x here. So I figure out what times x equals 5x. So it's got to be 5. So that's why I get the 5. Right? Anyway, that's it. Okay, is that cool?
Yeah, I get it.
All right, cool. All right. Let's see. All right, Mara, did you have a question? Or you just wanted
No, I
class
just
is
came back to let you know what happened.
all right. You're good. Class is over. You can stay and hang out if you want. I'm just answering questions. All right, who's next? Let's go ladies first. Maya. All right, Anita, see you later.
No, mine isn't completely math related, so I'll just wait until everyone's done.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh no, okay. This is about the interview? Okay, cool. Ethan, what's up?
I just have a quick question. How do you know which factor, like x squared or x cubed, for synthetic division?
I'm not sure what you mean by that question. Let me go over a synthetic division problem. And then, are you talking about the end? Like when you put the x's back in?
Yeah. How do you know if it's gonna be an x squared or an x cubed?
You just go one less than the one from the original division problem. So, like this one. So like this one that I did here. Can you see, Ethan? So when I did, let's see, I'm going to rewrite it here. When I did x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 divided by x plus 1, right? Okay. So I'm going to go fast. -1. There's my -1. 1, 3, 4, 2. Ethan, am I going too fast? 1, 3, 4, 2.
You're fine.
Okay, cool. So then I do my thing. I bring my 1 down. 1 times negative is -1. 3 minus 1 is 2. -1 times 2 is -2. 4 minus 2 is 2. -1 times 2 is -2. And then I have 0. Okay. Whoops. Let me get this out of the way. So this is where you're confused, I think. How do I know what x to put in front of that, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. Well, this is x cubed, right? Right, Ethan?
Yes.
So because it's x cubed, I need to go 1 less than this. So this has to be x squared. x squared plus 2x plus 2. So it's one less than the one you're dividing.
Okay, I get it now. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
In the chat, I don't know if you caught it. Navita Tashbar said he had to go to the doctors.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that.
All right.
Thank you, Ethan. Wait, who did?
Navid Tashbar.
Oh, Naveed did. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Ethan. I
All right,
appreciate it.
that's
I'll
all.
look that up.
Thank you. Have a nice
All
day.
right. Cool, man. All right, you too. Angel, what's up?
I was just gonna ask you about a question, but I just solved it, so I'm good.
All right. So you're good?
Yeah. Thank you. Bye, Sensei.
Okay, Angel. All right, take care, man. Oh, Maya, that's awesome. I don't know. I was I don't know. You made my day when you asked me to interview you. So I appreciate it. Or when you asked to interview me. So
You said any day, and I usually do it Wednesdays, but if like tomorrow, but if tomorrow's too soon, we can do Thursday too.
well, it's just I don't have to prepare. I just have to answer your questions,
Yeah,
right?
that's true. Yeah. So I was thinking during lunch, like at 12. Because it doesn't take long. When I did it with Mr. Arias, it took 7 minutes.
Oh, okay. I'm just trying to make sure I got to put a reminder for myself. At lunch at
12.
What time do you want to do? You want to do it on this thing right here that we're at?
Yeah.
Would that work?
Yes.
Okay. What time do you want to do it at?
12.
At noon?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will be here at noon tomorrow. All right.
Great.
All right, Maya. Wait, what are you going to ask me? Or should I be surprised? I'll just be surprised.
Well, I mean, they're just like random questions, like extremely random.
Extremely random
Like I asked,
questions.
like
Okay.
I don't want
No,
to
that's
like
fine.
spoil the questions that I'm going to ask.
No, you don't
tomorrow,
have to.
but,
That's
like,
fine. You said enough. I'll
no,
be
but
ready.
yesterday, I mean, here like an example question is that I asked Mr. Arias like, what was your opinion on the Mojave Desert or something like that. It was
Okay, got it.
They're just completely random.
Got it. I'll try to. Okay. I'll try not to make. Okay, cool. What's it for? What's it for again?
The ASB News Live.
Oh, cool. Okay. All right, Maya. See you at noon tomorrow. All right. Take care.